Surface area and volume. In previous classes, we have learned that every closed rectilinear figure has the following two components, area and perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a closed figure, while area is the region enclosed by the closed figure. We have studied the formula for finding the area and perimeter of closed rectilinear figures such as rectangle, square, parallelogram, triangle and circle. Now let's learn and study something new. We will start with cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces or surfaces. For example, the floor and ceiling along with the surrounding walls of your room form the 6 surfaces. A cuboid is a 3-dimensional figure with rectilinear faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. From the given figure, we can see that vertices are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Faces are ABCD, FGHE, AFGB, DEHC, ADEF and BGHC. Edges are AB, BC, CD, AD, CH, HE, DE, BG, GH, AF, FE and FG. We have studied that the faces of these 3-dimensional shapes are 2D polygons. Thus, the sum of the areas of all the surfaces of a 3D shape is called the total surface area of that 3D shape. The total surface area of a cuboid can be obtained by adding the areas of all the 6 faces. To calculate the area of cuboid, we will add area of ABCD plus area of DEHC plus area of FEHG plus area of AFGB plus area of AFED plus area of BGHC. That will be equal to length into height of ABCD plus breadth into height of DEHC plus length into height of FEHG plus breadth into height of AFGB plus length into breadth of AFED plus length into breadth of BGHC is equal to twice into length into breadth plus twice into breadth into height plus twice into length into height is equal to twice into L into B plus B into H plus L into H, where L represents the length of the cuboid, B represents the breadth of the cuboid and H represents the height of the cuboid. Lateral surface area of a cuboid. The lateral surface area of a cuboid is the total surface area of the cuboid excluding the surface area of the top and bottom surfaces. That is, the sum of the areas of lateral faces excluding base and top is called the lateral surface area of the solid. So we exclude twice into length into breadth from the total surface area. Thus, the lateral surface area of a cuboid is equal to twice into B into H plus L into H is equal to twice into BH plus LH. Total surface area and lateral surface area of a cube. In a cube, all the surfaces have equal area and the length of each edge is also the same. So if the length of one edge is A, then area of each surface or square is equal to A square. Hence, the total surface area of a cube is equal to 6A square. And the lateral surface area is equal to 6A square minus 2A square is equal to 4A square. We will understand this by an example. The total surface area of a cube is 294 centimeters square. Find the length of each side. To solve this, let the length of each side of the cube be A. Then, total surface area of the cube is equal to 6A square. So, 6A square is equal to 294. A square is equal to 49. A square is equal to 7 square. A is equal to 7 centimeter. Hence, the length of each side of the cube is 7 centimeter. Volume or capacity. The volume of a solid is the amount of space it occupies. Volumes are expressed in cubic units as solid figures have 3 dimensions. The standard unit of volume is cubic centimeter or 1 centimeter cube. To find the volume of any solid, we find the number of unit cubes contained in it. So, volume of a cube is equal to length into breadth into height is equal to L cube. For a cube of length of a side 1 centimeter, volume is equal to 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Therefore, a volume occupied by a cube of side 1 centimeter is 1 centimeter cube. So children, this is the way to find the required volume. Now we will learn and study about volume of cuboids. To find the volume of a rectangular prism or cuboid, we have to find the number of cubes in each layer and multiply the number of cubes in each layer with the number of layers. Let us find the volume of the cuboid shown here. We can see there are 2 layers of 2 into 5 cubes. That is, 2 into 5 into 2 is equal to 20 cubes. Volume of each cube is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Thus, volume of cuboid is equal to 20 centimeter cube. Now we will learn and study about area and volume of a right circular cylinder. A cylinder has 2 identical parallel circular faces and 1 curved face. To form a cylinder, a rectangular sheet is folded along its length so that the curved surface is formed by joining the edges of the sheet, which forms the breadth of the rectangle. A cylinder is formed by folding the rectangle in such a way so as to join the edges AD and BC. The height of the rectangle is equal to the length of the sides AD or BC. The line joining the centers of the plane surfaces, head and the base, which are circles, of the cylinder is called the axis. If the axis is perpendicular to the base, then the cylinder is called a right circular cylinder. Curved surface area. The curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to the area of the rectangle from which the cylinder is formed. This area is also known as the lateral surface area. The circumference of the base of the cylinder is equal to the length of the rectangle. So if L is the length of the rectangle and R is the radius of the base, then circumference of the circle is equal to L is equal to 2 pi r. Also, height of the cylinder is equal to the breadth of the rectangle. Thus, if h is the height of the cylinder, then lateral surface area of cylinder or curved surface is equal to area of rectangle is equal to circumference of the base into height is equal to L into h, that is 2 pi RH. Volume of a right circular cylinder. The volume of a right circular cylinder is the product of the area of the base and height of the cylinder. Thus, volume of a right circular cylinder is equal to area of the base into height is equal to pi r square into h is equal to pi r square h. Let's try an example to understand this. Find the lateral or curved surface area of a cylinder with height 18 cm and radius 3.5 cm. We can see that radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter, height is equal to 18 centimeter. Then, lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi RH is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 18 is equal to 396 centimeters square. So children, in this chapter, we learnt about area and volume of different shapes. Hope you have understood the chapter.